I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making macadamia coconut brittle. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Today's recipe is courtesy of our compadre Nikki, who also happens to be my neighbor. Thanks, neighbor. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own macadamia coconut brittle, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. Okay, let's make this happen. For this recipe, you'll need 55 grams of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla, 86 grams of light Karo syrup, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 56 grams of macadamia nuts, coarsely chopped, 28 grams of shredded sweetened coconut, and 1/8 teaspoon of coconut extract. As I was gathering ingredients, I discovered that I had plenty of unsweetened coconut, but no sweetened coconut. A little research revealed that adding a tablespoon each of water and sugar to 1/4 cup of unsweetened coconut will give you an acceptable substitute. So that's what I did. You'll also need a large saucepan, a spoon or spatula, a candy thermometer, 2 cutting boards, and a couple of sheets of SilPat or waxed paper. Okay, let's make some candy. In a saucepan over medium heat, add the sugar and corn syrup. Cook the mixture, stirring occasionally until it comes to a boil. Cover the pan for a couple of minutes to wash down the sides of the pan. Remove the lid and insert a candy thermometer. When the mixture reaches 275 degrees Fahrenheit, stir in the nuts and continue cooking, stirring occasionally, until the temperature reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the pan from the heat and quickly stir in the extracts and baking soda. Add the coconut and give it a stir. Pour the mixture onto the lined cutting board. Cover it with SilPat or waxed paper, put another cutting board on top, and press the mixture flat. Once it's cooled, break the brittle into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. This is pretty dang tasty. It's a little chewier than I'd hoped, but that's the risk you take when melting sugar to make candy. Factors like the temperature and humidity of your kitchen will definitely affect how things turn out. The flavor is amazing, though. Classic brittle taste, just a touch of macadamia. The coconut is a nice and really unexpected addition. It's reminiscent of those Girl Scout cookies with the caramel and coconut, the Samoas. I love those. In fact, I think I'm going to have to add a chocolate dip or drizzle to these. That should kick them up a notch or two. Which gets me to thinking, a Kit Kat is chocolate and caramel on a cookie and is considered a candy bar. Samoas are the same thing, with the addition of coconut. Why isn't it a candy bar? And should I start looking for more recipes that combine candy and cookies? Let me know in the comment section. Back to the brittle though, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. 28 grams of As I would... Factors like the temperature and humidity... Grating...